Good evening, everybody. Thanks for coming. The first annual tree lighting at Downstate Health Sciences University. Woo! So again, thank you for taking a moment at the end of a day in celebration and community. A very special welcome to everyone who is braving the cold, and good news, it'll be colder tomorrow. You're going to thank me tomorrow night that we did it tonight instead of tomorrow. And to Dr. Winston, our interim CEO of University Hospital Downstate, and to Reverend Sharon Codner-Walker. Where's Reverend Walker? Our Director of Pastoral Care. Let's give him Walker a hand. Thank you for being here. Now, I hope that you've had a chance to take a quick look. It's going to look even better after we hit the switch on this beautiful new 18-foot Christmas tree that from now on we will light every Christmas season. And special thanks to FMND for their work getting this tree up. They are out here Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And amazing work by our FMND colleagues. And Patrick, you and your team did a fantastic job getting this up. And it was very cold last week when they were good at testing it and getting it up. So thank you. Also thanks to Dawn Walker and the team at Communications Marketing for their work. And look, I think I see Santa Claus. Oh my gosh. Santa's made a special trip to be with us. Santa.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Now, come here, Santa. Santa looks like he's been on Ozempic. That's good for you.
Mrs. Claus' idea.
So thank you, Santa, for coming all the way. And so now we'll call upon Reverend Walker to bring some brief remarks. Then we're going to hear Misha. Then I'm going to hit the button. Then we're going to go inside.
Good evening, one and all. As we stand here on the grounds of healing and learning, where science and medicine meet humanity, and where knowledge and compassion work hand in hand, we are each reminded that light has power. Light conquers darkness. Light brings comfort. Light reveals beauty. Light reminds us that hope is not lost. In fact, light unites us. It further reveals the beauty in diversity. It reflects the best in who we are each called to be. So though we come from many backgrounds and beliefs and disciplines, we share one mission of care. Care that must vow that we're going to keep care close. We're going to bring healing, understanding, and compassion into this community, and if you dare, into all the world. As this Christmas tree light, we will shine. I want you to look at somebody and say, be the light.
Be the light.
Look at your other neighbor and say, be the light.
Be the light.
May you continue to be light. May you continue to innovate. May you continue to care. May you continue to teach. And may you remind every person that light brings hope and it renews. Peace to you. Shalom. Salam. Namaste. And Merry Christmas.
Ten,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. You're doing it very good, man. Very good. Up there.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Hello, my love. Yes.
Thank you, Santa.
The light.
Thank you for doing that. No problem.
That's right. That's right. And that's all I can tell you.